Hey guys, Aaron here for The Love of Tech, and we are back in the studio today, and today I have something from Amazon. This is a product I know nothing about. I saw a little advertisement on the internet, and I said, yeah, notify me about that. And I had to sign up for this program, this early release program, and I did. And I got an email that said, you've been selected. Now, mind you, everyone who signed up for this program could have very well gotten the exact same email that I got, but I have no idea because I'm not inside your emails. I'm only inside my email. So this is the email I got, and I'm like, all right, let's sign up. One thing you need to know about me: if it is limited, if it is exclusive, if you tell me that I can't have it, I want it even more. So this device I wanted, and I have, and now we're gonna unbox it together on the channel. Unboxing knife. Halo band. Here it is, the Halo band. So this is supposed to become the leading expert on you. I got the a sports accessory band, and I also have another sports accessory band, a couple different colors. So we'll go ahead and get into those in just a moment, but for now I want to dig into this. It actually says on here it's made for the iPhone. It doesn't say it's made exclusively for the iPhone, and then to the right of it, it does say that you need a smartphone with iOS or Android internet and a Bluetooth connection. My fitness hasn't quite been on point as of recently. We'll just blame the apocalypse like we are blaming the apocalypse for everything else. But this, I'm interested to see what take Amazon has on the fitness health band, right? What take do they have? Because up until now, I wear my Samsung watch, which I know there's more features that I could use, but I don't take advantage of. I have my Apple Watch, which I wear very rarely, nothing against the Apple Watch, but on the daily, I usually wear my Samsung watch. So let's go ahead and just get into the box and get through this experience together. Did you see that? I almost just killed myself unboxing this for you. Have some gratitude. Comment, like, subscribe. This is a really beautiful green color. I like that color a bunch. I guess we'll just go the easy route now that, you know, I put the knife away. The band itself, and we have this, which they call the charging clip. I mean, if this doesn't say ridiculous. Charge me! No! I can last all day! No, you don't! Charge me! I can last. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the smartphone. My smartphone of choice is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. This is, of course, does not have to be your smartphone of choice, but this is what I'm using. First thing we have to do is go over to our Play Store, and we are going to search for Amazon Halo, and the app comes right up. We're gonna install that. So connect what you do to how you feel. I'm ready. So it wants my Amazon account, of course. So let's go ahead and lock that in there. So it asks for your height to provide more accurate step count, which is pretty clever. It is asking for our weight. Nobody look. It says to plug in the charger. There's plastic at the end of the charger. Place in the clip with the button facing out. This would be the button. This would be the clip. So it says place in the clip button facing out. So just like this with the Amazon smile on top. Okay. In a few seconds, a white light will start blinking and you will know it's ready to pair. Looks like it found something. Pairing request. Okay, that was easy peasy. Halo membership, so I get 6 months for free. So we're gonna update this later. All right, so this is it. I'm at 65% battery. How people learn how you sound to people around you. That will be interesting because I got very angry yesterday, and I think I accidentally took out my frustration on one of my employees, and I'm sorry and I apologized, but I wonder if this will prevent me from being a Can the Halo actually help me be a better person? Is that the next level of what this is? I'm really excited about the idea of this. I like the size of the technology. It's little. I am a little worried that it is connecting to Amazon. So a couple other things to go ahead and take a look in the lab. Some at-home fitness with no equipment. You can do some meditation with some headspace, increase consistency. This is all sorts of stuff. Learn how you sound to people around you. Set up tone. Oh, this is going to be fun. So to set up your tone, it will use more battery. Allow Amazon to record audio. I may remove this permission later, but it's going to record me throughout the day, which is creepy to say the least. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. There's no living thing that is not afraid when it faces danger. The true courage is in facing danger when you are afraid. Voice ID created. See real-time voice analysis with live mode. Oh, this is so creepy. So this is me testing the live mode to see if it works. What does it do? What do we have going on? This is really, really interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the stop button and let's see what happens. You sounded mostly anxious, but also worried and skeptical. I think that's right. I was a little anxious because I'm like, oh my God, this thing is listening to me all the time. I'm worried because I'm like, where is my data gonna end up? Is this even safe? And I'm skeptical because I'm like, is this even gonna work? Before we go, let's go ahead and just take a quick little look-see-loo at some of the other bands that came in the box today. Now, these bands did come separate. I believe they were about 20 bucks a piece. So this is a sports band that is gray that has a little bit of a pink inside, and here is a white one which has a little black inside. So we got a couple really cool colored bands, a nice little soft design so it is easy to wear, have a very weird strange charging clip which I'll probably charge up before I leave the house today just to make sure I got a good solid charge. But other than that, this is kind of like a tracker to help you learn more about you and your patterns and hopefully becoming a better version of me. So that's what we have going on here today. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, if you're interested in this product or you wanna learn more, I'm gonna go ahead and put an Amazon affiliate link. Go ahead and click on it. If you happen to buy it, you are supporting the channel, and for that, I thank you up front. Namaste. If you like this video or you want to see more videos like it, like, comment, subscribe, share my content with your friends and family on social media. Thank you for watching the video today. Till next time, for the love of tech. Namaste.